bathroom is spotless and it's so modern. I love the marble, and even just these cups being different colors to differentiate is a great touch. Over here for the toiletries, they actually are the take-home ones, which is very exciting. We have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and body lotion, washcloths. And then here we have the cotton pads, Q-tips, shower cap, shaving gel, a razor, a hairbrush, and some toothbrushes. Those are very nice amenities. We have a makeup mirror, and it's actually kind of nice that they provide a corded one because you can move it to another place in the room if you need to get ready separately. A full bidet. We have the towels and hairdryer down here. And this is a Panasonic, very common in Japan. This room comes with 2 personal skincare kits. So let's open that and see what's in it. Brilliant. They have these little packets. This is always a nice touch too. It's a sanitary bag. And then this shower. We have a stunning shower and a soaking tub. There is a seat here, so it is traditional Japanese. You shower before you take your soaking bath, or you can treat this whole room as a shower. There's a rack up here for towels, and our shower head is a detachable hose, and it all drains down here. So again, you can use this whole closet as your shower. And the entryway is tiled. I've already changed into the slippers, which are right down here in those sanitary bags as well. This is my stuff on the luggage bench. Of course, we have our ironing board. Up here are the robes. I'm going to take those down in a minute. We have detachable hangers, our shoehorn and shoe brush, and then a Panasonic flashlight. Full-length mirror, check. This one is actually really tall. And the bedroom is a wonderful size. This will probably be the biggest room we stay in this next week in Japan. I am an expat who lives here currently, but we are doing a little bit of traveling, so we're going to enjoy this big room. Here, I kind of love this little analog clock, and it's always nice to have these lights where you can adjust it for everybody. So that bed light is nice, the room light. So you can have just the bed light on or just the night light on, but we'll keep the whole room on. Over here next to the bed, we also have USB and the Japan outlet that works for a lot of US prongs as well. We have this little table and this very cozy looking lounger, chaise, and the bigger table over here too. This has a comfortable office chair. Trash is down here, and this is a little dresser with the TV above it. Here they have information in English and Japanese about the free bus, and I don't know if I'm going to use this, but this is great. Obviously, most people stay here if they're going to go to Tokyo Disney, which you're kind of close here to the park, but you're not close to anything else, just so you're aware. This is a great hotel if you're really just going to the park, but don't want to be like staying on Disney property. Here is the in-room dining, so they basically do it 5:30 to midnight for the room service, and there's kind of a range, but we've got some curries, some bolognese, sausages, BLT, sushi, sweets, ice cream, and then there's a late night menu as well. Over here is the drink bar, so it looks like we have some water included. These bottles are beautiful. And we've got our glassware and our mugs. We have a coffee pod machine, and they have actually some fun coffee options in here, and the black teas. I always take the teas with me because I'll drink them later. There is a water kettle as well, ice bucket, and some cute coasters. Here is the fridge. This one is pretty small, and I already checked that it's nice and cold. There's a breakfast, lunch, and dinner available. There is a club lounge if that is available to you. I'm Hilton Diamond, so I do not have that here at the Hyatts. There is also the rooftop bar that's absolutely beautiful. Laundry, ice machine, and again that shuttle bus. There is coin laundry, and they said we can get coins from the front desk. And here is the view today. It's kind of a cold day in Urayasu, but this is a residential area if you're not aware, so it's mostly schools and families and businesses around here. It is very chill compared to Tokyo, and actually down there we could see the buses, so they're very easy to spot. But yeah, this is a very calm area, very nice, very safe. If you're someone that doesn't love the hustle and bustle of a city, this actually would be a great spot for you to stay. And there's a really yummy Australian cafe over there that we're gonna go to tomorrow. No matter where I'm staying, even the nicest places, I always check the bed, check the corners under the sheets. This is what I learned from someone who had bed bugs, but of course I don't expect to see them here. Everything here is always really clean in Japan.